Hi my loves, in this video I'll show you a website that will pay you to listen to audios and type out what you've just heard. The job is called closed captioning. It involves creating text-based captionings for videos and movies. In short, it's like writing subtitles, but in this case, the goal is not only to write what you've just heard, you'll also need to include sound effects and other relevant audio cues so that the person watching the video can completely understand the visuals. The visual content. It's similar to transcription, but closed captioning aims to make the video more accessible to people who are deaf or anyone with hearing problems. So what do you need for this job? First, you need good listening skills. As usual, any job that involves listening and typing, you need good listening skills. So if you have issues with listening, then this job is definitely not for you. Number two, you need a good command of English. If you cannot write good English, then maybe this job is not a good idea. And number three, you need to be able to understand different accents. As you already know, if you've ever done transcription, this type of typing jobs, you need to be able to understand different accents, because if you are given like a YouTube video, maybe the person speaking is from the UK, another one is from the Australia or the US. These accents vary. So if you cannot be able to understand different accents, then this job is not for you. Number three or number four, you need good typing speeds, because you are paid depending on how many audios you've done. So the more audios you do, the more money you make. So if you're not good in typing, or you type very slow, then this job may not be good for you, because you won't be able to make much. All you need is a laptop. And if you don't even have a laptop, you can be able to do this with your phone, as I'll show you. But having a laptop makes everything easier. So if you have a laptop, it will be easier, but you can still do this job using your phone. So without further ado, let me show you the website and show you how you're supposed to apply for the job. So to apply for this job, you need to go to Google and type closedcaptioner.com, and you're going to click the first link that will appear. So this is how their dashboard looks like. So there is contact sales, etc. But this is not what we need. We need to work for us. So you're going to click here, work for us, and it is going to redirect you to the test. So when you get here, as you can see, they have a Spanish dashboard in Spanish and another one in English. So because I can understand English, I'm going to click English. So here you're supposed to enter your email address, your first name and last name, and also your phone number. I said this website is hiring worldwide, so you just enter your Kenya number or your Nigeria number. So when you get here, the first question is the one part I think is written in French. I'm not sure. And the other part is written in English. So do you want to become a closed captioner, or do you want to become a subtitler? So here we have the questions that we need to answer. The first question is, in what language do you want to work? So obvious, the first language you need to click is English, but even though you cannot speak in other languages, I encourage you to click at least 2 more languages. Why? Because they will always pick people who can write more languages. Generally, here you are telling them that I can also write in French and Spanish, even though I can't, because I want them to pick me. So I have told them that I can write in Spanish and French, etc. You can choose English and 2 others. The question 2 is, in which language do you want to translate? Here, because I'm not a translator and I don't want to translate, I'm going to click here because I cannot translate. But if you know how to translate, maybe like if you speak French or Spanish and you would want to work as a translator, this is a good opportunity. You should click here, because as you can see, they have more opportunities, not just closed captioning. So how many hours per week do you want to work? This now depends on you, but as far as I'm concerned, I can work depending on the workflow, probably 50 hours a week. Yeah, so The next question is, how have you learned about us? How did you find out about how did you find out about this company? So this question is a two-part question. They want to know how you found them. Maybe you can say you found them on Facebook, on Google, etc. Or they also, or maybe you can say, I don't know, you found them on YouTube, anywhere. Just say something. Then they need you to tell them what you found about them. So maybe here you can just write something nice about the company. Yeah, something like that. Moving on, we have question 5. On a 0 to 10 scale, how would you evaluate your grammar and orthography? How do you rate your level of grammar and spelling knowledge from 0 to 10? Obviously, don't say 10. I would encourage you to say maybe 9 or 8. That's good enough. Then we have question 6. This is the transcription test. As you can see, they say, please do the test in the language of your choice. Please transcribe the audio of the language you wish, the language you wish to work on. So here we have French, Portuguese, Spanish, Italian, and English. Definitely, I'll go with an English test. So you're going to click here, English test, and this is the test. So if you want to download the test, please you're just going to click here and the audio is going to download. Please note, depending on the device you are using, sometimes you may download the audio and the audio you download is completely different from the audio on the site. So always make sure that after downloading, you listen to that audio and compare with the audio on the website, because for some tests, I noticed like a few days ago, I clicked on the audio and after downloading, the audio automatically changed. So always make sure the audio you have downloaded, it's the same audio on the website. How you confirm that is just by playing the two audios, the downloaded one and the one on the website, to make sure that the audio is the same. Another thing is, I cannot give you the answers to these audios because these audios keep on changing. So even if I give you the answer, it won't make sense because probably tomorrow they will have changed the audio. So now you need to listen to the audio. After you've downloaded the audio, use Rev AI to transcribe the audio. If maybe you would want me to show you how to transcribe the audio, please comment in this video and I will do exactly that. I'll show you the how the steps you're supposed to take to transcribe to write the closed captions. Generally, it's just like transcribing. So you're going to use this website here. It's called Rev AI. So just go to Google and type Rev AI, and you don't need to pay anything. Oh, my laptop is taking too long to load. So you'll come here and you'll sign up for free, or you can just try free now. And now when you try here for free, you're going to add the audio. So here they want me to sign up. I won't do that at this moment, but you're just going to come here, sign up, and then use this website. You are going to bring that downloaded audio here, and then it is going to transcribe for you. After that, you need to go and listen to that audio slowly, listening keenly, making any changes that you have had, because at the end of the day, even if AI can be able to transcribe, they are not always accurate, so they can make mistakes. So make sure that you correct any mistake. After that, you are going to bring the answer here, and then you'll go to question 7. Please describe your professional experience up to now. What do you know about our company, and why do you want to work for us? What qualities do you possess that will be useful to you in your roles? Your response must be detailed, minimum 50 words. Describe your professional experience so far, what you do know about our company and why do you want to work for us. They've just repeated the same thing. So here you need to tell them like this is what you write in a resume. What is your professional experience? Obviously, don't say that you don't have any experience. Obviously, say that you have experience. You have worked as a transcriber for maybe like 2-3 years. Then you are going to link. If you are not sure, just check other transcription jobs posted maybe on LinkedIn and see the qualities they are looking for. Then from the qualities they are looking for, you can use the qualities to draft your answer. Then you're going to write the answer here and you are going to click submit. Once you submit, you're going to get a response within 2 to 3 days if you've passed or you've failed. If you have failed, as always, you don't just give up. You go back, create a new Gmail and apply again. So that's it, guys. That's how you apply for this job at Closed Captioner. Please go apply. It's hiring now and it's hiring worldwide, so go apply. And if you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below with any question you have, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.